Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am bringing you some extreme laundry motivation. This was a weekend and I had been sick, so laundry had gotten a little bit behind. So I wanted to go ahead and get all of the laundry done in one afternoon. And as you can see here, there are about 4 loads that I need to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm not going to talk too much through this video. I just want you guys to enjoy the music and get some motivation from this. So let's go ahead and jump right on in.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it.
Typically, I do not sort our clothes by color or anything. I will sort them by towels and then sheets and blankets. And then as far as mine and my husband's clothes, I will separate out his work clothes just because they tend to be pretty dirty and I don't want that to mess up any of our other clothing. But as far as sorting by color or anything, I don't ever really do that and I haven't had any issues.
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. I'm superhero.
I had neglected our laundry room for a little while, so I decided, since I was spending so much time in here this day, that I would go ahead and tidy up this shelf, just make sure everything was where it needed to be. And I also wanted to wipe down the washer and dryer while I was in here.
Lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold.
To wipe down the washer and the dryer, I'm just using the Method Glass and Surface Spray, and you will see here in a minute that when I wipe over the panel, the washing machine completely just turned off and started to drain halfway through that load of laundry. So I actually had to start that one completely over, so I'm not gonna finish this one on camera, but I did get it done that night, and I folded it the next day, but it was definitely a rookie mistake.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide. sleep deprived. Blow my mind without warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped upon it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. You got me looped upon it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it motivated you to get some laundry done in your home. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, please comment, like, and share. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.
that.